Let's say you want to use hotkeys to reorder layers. Go down to hotkeys in the lower left. From here, you can see all of the hotkeys. Go down to layer, and you can see many hotkeys, like select the top layer and select the bottom layer. To select the top layer, you're going to press and hold Option and period. This will bring up the top layer. From here, you can right-click, and you have the option to bring to the front, bring forward, send backward, or send to the back. To select the bottom layer, press Option, comma at the same time. This will select your bottom layer. From here, you can right-click, and you'll see the same options: bring to the front, bring forward, send backward, send to the back, save as component, align, or flip. And as you can see, we bring to the front, and we can send it to the back. Sign up for free on Simplified.co to start using hotkeys to reorder layers. See you there!